happy Sunday. So today is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all fathers out there.
Father's Day and to everyone, to every dad.
Happy Father's Day, Han. Today, nandito kami ulit sa Safeway para bumili ng flowers.
And I'm not-
Hindi lang naman mga babae ang
It's a tiny teddy bear, yeah.
nakaka-receive ng flowers, di ba? So, kailangan pati mga daddies.
Mwah.
Kaya, let's go.
I'm gonna hug it. I'm gonna hug it. Guys, my dad's favorite color is jumbo is red.
Okay.
So cute.
This one. Or this. Para maganda. Or this. Or this one. Come on, ba? Oh, this one.
Happy Father's Day. I know that.
Yeah, wala nang iba na design ng Happy Father's Day. Maybe this one. We'll get this one. Thanks for all you do. And the other one. So, wala na, oh. Wala nang ibang choices.
I want that.
And that one. Or yung kayo sa taas. Grabe siya, ha. Ito na lang. We'll get this. Best dad ever. Okay.
Happy Father's Day to my loving daddy.
Okay guys, tara na, bayaran na natin and let's go. Or maybe we could get some fruit for daddy to eat. Parang bigat. Yeah, let's go. Tara. And guys, pauwi na tayo. Nabili na natin to. Ito ang ating regalo sa akin. At saka yan. So ayun na nga. Tumatawag siya ngayon na naman. Sagutin ko muna. So ayun na nga po. Tumawag siya. Sabi niya malapit na daw siya. Malapit dito sa bahay. So ngayon, nandito lang kami sa may parking lot. Oh, ayan na siya. Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan na siya. Magpa-park na po siya. Hintayin po natin siya. Ibibigay ang ating munting sorpresa. Siya.
Had a chicken nugget.
Oh, diba? Ayan na. Ayan na siya.
Yeah, she was.
Go, Bella.
Can you hold this one?
What? Daddy, wait. I got something. Happy Father's Day! I'll see that.
Oh! Oh my god!
Wait, Daddy.
Oh my god!
Wait,
Ano? Be careful with that.
your food.
Ayan, hi. So, dito tayo sa... Ano ba ulit to? Ayan o. 85. Ooh, ano to? Parang masarap to, Han. Ano to? What is this? Wow. But I don't know what is this. Ano to? Okay, I'll try this one. Hindi ko alam, pero I'll try. Chocolate hazelnut muffin. Walang pangalan kung ano nakalagay yan. Parang ang sarap din nito, oh. Yummers. Ube bread. I don't know.
May in-order ako, wala na, hindi alam ng babae, no?
Ano yan?
Yung parang there's something inside like
Custard?
tea or I don't know, yeah. I'll just try it.
Maybe this one?
You know what I'm talking about?
Baka ito, Han.
Okay, no more.
Ito. What is this? Milk pudding. Okay. This one. It's a milk. There's inside. Okay. Give it to daddy.
Anong drink mo?
I don't know. Ano ba drink dito? Hi guys! So ngayon, dito tayo sa bahay. Luto na ako ng french fries para sa merienda namin. Dito na kami sa bahay mag-celebrate ng Father's Day. Nagbabalat ang aking festlock.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Tapos yung flowers na nabili kanina. Ayan na siya. Na-display ko na siya. Nanonood lang kami ng mga vlogs. Ngayon ang pinapanood namin is si Limel. Shout out kay Limel. Hey guys. Ayan na. Matapos na siya. Oh, luto ng ating french fries. Ayan, lalagyan natin ng french fries. Pero mainit.
Stop.
Ayan na. French fries. Kuha tayo ng sauce. Lagyan natin ng sauce. So, meron kaming Chick-fil-A sauce. Sarap to iterno sa french fries, kaya bumili kami nito. O, diba na? O, one to sawa. Anli tayo, anli. Ayan na siya. Kumakain na siya. Be careful, it's hot.
Tulog.
Yummy? Yummers? Okay, let's go.
Shut up.
Hi guys! Yan ang ating snack for today's video.
Ay!
Wala siya magtatanggal. Ang hangin today. And the weather is nice, not too hot, not too cold. See?
Ay! Yeah.